In this reel, I'd like to chat a little bit more about capnography waveforms. Okay, so we often use capnography when we intubate a patient, and after intubation, you should see confirmation by CO2 presence and then also a waveform. And if your patient has experienced an esophageal intubation, you won't have a waveform. And so the little rhyme I always use is if you have no trace, the tube's in the wrong place. And so you can see here, like you might see, this is actually indicating apnea, but you could see a very poor waveform there. So again, no trace, wrong place. If you've got a patient who's hypoventilating, you might see a really wide waveform. Conversely, if they're hyperventilating, like in DKA, the waveform is going to be really narrow. And finally, the last thing I like to chat about quickly is in COPD or any patient who's got airway obstruction or restriction, you almost have like a shark fin type waveform. And as you give bronchodilators, you'll see that plateau off.